everyone. I would like to introduce you to a tech tool called Lingt. It could be used as a formative, summative assessment platform, but it could also be used just for different activities in which students can type or record an answer, record an audio answer. So I really like this because I feel like it allows for teachers to use differentiation. So let's say you have an EL class, but you have WIDA level 2, WIDA level 3. You can create different folders for those students and then differentiate their assignment. So perhaps you'll have more audio and visual for the lower level, and then maybe more text for the upper level. And then for the lower level, for say a social studies class, perhaps you have the lower level students responding in an audio message and the higher level students responding by typing out their answer. So there's a lot of ways to use this for differentiation. It also allows for collaboration. But I want to get started and just show you one of the assignments that I've already created, and then I will show you how to create an assignment. So in my EL, I have a speaking assessment. So this would be for English learners. So I'll just go to edit just to show you what I have. So what the students would do is this is what they would see. And so I have a picture, and then the prompt is tell the story that these pictures describe using at least 3 sequence words. So then the students would record their answer. I can also upload a video and then have the students retell the story that they saw. They would record their video, and then a pre-created project in which students would have already prepared for, they would just record their audio here. So this is definitely more of a speaking activity, but it also allows students to write. So I will also show you another assessment that I created. So let me go to archive. So here is a Korean exam. So I can edit it and just show you an example. So again, the students have the option of looking at a picture, and then they can speak their answer. So what is the girl doing? And then they record the answer. Students would watch a video, and then they would type out their answers here. And then for this, they get a picture, but then the question is in the form of an audio. So I created the question in an audio format. And then down here, the students are given a question, and then they have to speak here to answer that. So creating a test is super, super easy, or creating an assignment. So I will go back and I'll show you. So I can go back to classes, and let's say I want to create another assignment for my EL class. So I already have it highlighted, so it's on. So then I just go here to create assignment. And as I mentioned before, it's so easy. So all you do these are the content. So this is what the teacher can choose from. So let's say I want to ask the students a question. I would just drag and drop, and then I would write the question. So maybe it would be, what is the date today? And let's say this is a speaking activity. So I'm going to do speaking activity for my my reader level 1. So what is the date today? And then if I want the students to type the answer, I would pull over the write prompt. But if I'm like, I want them to practice speaking, I would pull over the speaking prompt. So then I can also add an image. So let's say I am going to upload a picture. So let's just say of someone drinking coffee. And then my question underneath, I would add a text for my question. And I could say, what is the man in the picture doing? Or if I want to simplify it, I could just say, what is the man doing? And then again, since this is a speaking activity, I'm going to drag and drop the speak so that students have to respond for speaking. This could also allow for collaboration. So let's say I want students to work with a partner, which is great. I could have a longer text here in which they read a longer text, and then together they would record their conversation about that text. So it's really great. It's also multilingual because I could add a video in a different language, and there's a lot of visual support, which is great, or it can have a lot of visual support, which is great. So that